Hey crafters, today we will be making a super cheap DIY earring display. I wanted to order a earring display for an upcoming event that I am doing, but it wasn't going to be here in time. So I hit up my local dollar store and maybe $3. I made this kind of cute, super cute, easy to do earring display. Enjoy. Hey, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do your do-it-yourself earring display using items I found at the dollar store. So I take 3 of the wooden discs that I found, hot glue them together, squeeze them together till they cool off and stick. So I use 3. Then I'm gonna take the pole, hot glue the bottom, apply it to the center of the disc, wipe off the excess glue so it could be nice and neat. See? Then I'm going to take the second pole, give it a T shape, hot glue the top, apply it and attach it. It's going to give you that T shape. So you're going to take it outside, spray it, give it a good coat, let it dry, and make sure you do a sealant coat. Here's the final results. Came out pretty cute. I also made a miniature one for when I take photos of my earrings. I'll be painting it gold. Hey crafters, don't forget to like and subscribe.